Hi, my name's Mark Wetherill. I'm Head of Culinary for QuornPro UK. Today we're going to be creating some recipes using the QuornPro Veggie Mince, another really versatile product that can be simply baked, pan-fried, put straight into a sauce frozen. But for today we're going to be creating a ground beef casserole with charred hispy cabbage. I'm going to put this in the oven for 2 or 3 minutes just to get a little bit of colour on it, a little bit of the crust. So for the filling, again, a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan, onions and carrots. We'll just soften those a little bit. In with our stock, just to soften those veggies up a little bit more, get some flavour into that stock. Next, in with our tomato sauce. Then in with the mince. Pasta. Going to go into our oven-proof dish. Sprinkle on our breadcrumbs. This so we get a nice crispy crust on the top. And with some cheese. That'll now bake in the oven 10-15 minutes till that cheese is golden and molten. So here's our charred hispy cabbage. Some lovely colour on there. And then finally, spoonful